Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. First, I would like to thank Mike Hills from Hills Law Firm here in Kalamazoo for inspiring me to restart my Family Law Friday series. And because I am inspired to restart my series and I realize that I have been so behind in giving out information, I am actually going to challenge myself to put out a video here on my page not only every Friday for Family Law Friday, but also to restart my Biggest Mistake series that was supposed to start back in November, and also put out a video every Monday. So please check out our channel. We'll have a video every Friday and a video every Monday, and I have challenged myself to do it from now through until the 4th of July. So, okay, it is a new year, 2023, and every year at the beginning of the year, we get a ton of calls from people that are ready to divorce. It's a new year and they are just ready to move forward in their lives, and they've acknowledged that their relationship just isn't working for them. So one question that I've been answering a lot lately is, when is the right time to file for a divorce? Now, of course, the answer to this is going to be, it depends. It is very dependent on your specific factual circumstances, whether and how your divorce needs to happen. But there are some sort of general guidelines for when you want to make sure that you hurry up and get that divorce filed. So the first time where I would always recommend to people, with some very limited exceptions, that you need to hurry up and file a contested divorce case is if your spouse took your children out of state or took your children and is hiding your children from you without communicating with you about a plan for custody and parenting time, and without permitting you to communicate with your kids. Something like that is the type of situation where you absolutely want to make sure that you are protecting your interests and protecting your relationship with your children, and filing for divorce as soon as possible, so that if your ex continues on that route, you can get in front of a judge sooner rather than later. Another similar situation would be if your spouse is transferring assets without your knowledge, or even with your knowledge, if you've discovered large amounts of money moving around that they are not sharing with you or communicating with you what they're doing with those things, or making substantial withdrawals from an account. So for example, let's say you and your ex have a shared bank account that for savings that has $50,000 in it. And then all of a sudden you're opening up your bank to look at your checking account just to, just check in on things. And you see, oh my gosh, our savings account is empty. And you see transfer $50,000 and it's gone. And you approach your spouse about it and they don't tell you what happened to it, and they will not tell you where they moved the money, or even worse, they won't admit to having moved the money. That's a situation where you're probably going to want to hurry up and file for divorce as soon as possible, especially if you have other assets that you want to protect moving forward. But other than those two pretty extreme scenarios, even in situations related to domestic violence, there might be strategic reasons not to hurry up and rush to file your divorce complaint. And so if you are facing tension with your spouse, if divorce is on the horizon, then it's very important that as soon as you have made your mind up that divorce is going to happen, or frankly, as soon as you learn that your spouse has made their mind up that divorce is going to happen, consult with an attorney in your county who can help you come up with a plan to get divorced better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this information has been helpful. If you are considering divorce anywhere from the east side of the state in Oakland, Wayne, and Washtenaw counties, all the way over to us here in Kalamazoo, Van Buren, and Berrien, give our office a call. We're here to help.